Are you ready to make a move on Apple stock? Welcome to this in-depth analysis of Apple. Our initial report was released on our website on Friday, October 13, 2023. But today, we're taking it to the next level by providing you with even more detailed insights. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Brace yourselves because we have some exciting news about Apple. But first, let's talk about our system's recent ranking for Apple. It's a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.09. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Hold on to your seats. The stock has been on a roller coaster ride, experiencing natural fluctuations and even gaining 0.26%. Can you believe it? On average, Apple has been generating a daily return of 0.06% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. Are you ready to seize a great selling opportunity? Let's dive into the stock market and analyze the current trends of this stock. In the short term, the stock is experiencing a wide and falling trend. This presents an exciting chance for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. But, keep an eye out for a potential trend shift. A breakthrough at the top trend line of $181.35 might indicate a slower rate of decline or even a shift in the trend altogether. Looking ahead to the next 3 months, the forecast suggests a potential -9.52% change. This means we could see a return between -18.01% and -8.26%. Keep this in mind as you plan your investment strategy. Now, let's zoom out and focus on the long term. Over the next 12 months, the trend suggests an impressive 36.36% change. This could result in a potential return between 28.17% and 58.75%. Imagine the possibilities. If this projection holds true, the stock's price range could reach anywhere from $229.23 to $283.93 after a year. Welcome back to our Apple stock update. We've got some exciting news for you today. Hold on to your seats because Apple stock just experienced a major shift in its market position. Brace yourself for this headline: Apple stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold/accumulate after Friday's thrilling trading session. Let's dive into the numbers. On the last trading day, which was Friday the 13th of October 2023, the Apple stock price fell by 1.03%. It went from $180.71 to $178.85. But what's even more interesting is the roller coaster ride it took throughout the day. The stock fluctuated a whopping 2.13%, starting from a day low at $178.14 and reaching a day high of $181.93. Talk about excitement in the market. Don't worry though, things are looking up for Apple. In fact, the stock has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days, gaining an impressive 4.46% over the past 2 weeks. This is certainly a positive trend to keep an eye on. Now, let's talk volume. On the last trading day, the trading volume fell by 5 million shares. But here's the interesting part: this is actually a good sign. Volume should follow the stock, and the fact that it decreased alongside the stock indicates a promising direction for Apple. Hold your breath for this next statistic. A staggering 49 million shares were bought and sold during the day, amounting to an approximate value of $8.69 billion. That's a significant amount of activity happening in the Apple stock market. Now, let's zoom out and take a wider perspective. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price that Apple stock reached was $198.22, while the lowest price was $124.17. Currently, the stock is 9.77% or $19.37 below its 52-week high. And if we look back to the all-time high on August 30, 2018, when the stock price reached an astonishing $228.26, it is now 21.65% or $49.41 below that peak. It's crucial to keep these numbers in mind to understand the overall trajectory of Apple's stock performance. Welcome back, viewers. Today, we have some exciting news about analyst ratings for a well-known company. Let's dive right in and discuss the latest updates on Apple, the stock symbol for Apple Inc. Starting with Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Goldman Sachs has given Apple a promising buy grade, signaling a positive outlook. Moving on to Tuesday, September 12, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities rated Apple as neutral, with a hold action, indicating a cautious stance. Now, let's talk about another notable rating. On the same day, September 12, 2023, Wedbush expressed confidence in Apple by giving it an outperform grade. Shifting our focus to Friday, September 8, 2023, Morgan Stanley weighed in with an overweight grade for Apple, suggesting strong potential for growth. Lastly, on Friday, August 4, 2023, Barclays assessed Apple with an equal weight grade, implying a balanced outlook. These analyst ratings provide valuable insights into the market sentiment surrounding Apple. It's interesting to see the varying opinions from different financial institutions. Get ready for some exciting news about Apple stock. Analysts are buzzing with a strong buy rating. That's right, they consider the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as a strong buy. But wait, there's more. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Listen up. I've got some exciting news about Apple's stock signals. Brace yourself for some positive forecasts. The Apple stock is giving off buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages. That's a great sign, right? But wait, there's more. The relation between these two signals also indicates a general buy signal, with the short-term average soaring above the long-term average. So if the stock dips, it will find some support from the lines at $178.45 and $177.93. However, be cautious. If it breaks below these levels, sell signals will be issued. But let's focus on the good news. A buy signal was recently issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, September 27, 2023. And guess what? The stock has already risen by 4.94%. Can you believe it? Experts say there's a further rise in store until a new top pivot is found. So, it's definitely a good time to consider investing in Apple. Oh, and here's another reason to be optimistic. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is also giving off a buy signal. That's definitely something to take note of. Okay, I won't keep you waiting. There are a few negative signals too, but don't let them dampen your spirits. They may have some influence on the near short-term development, but let's focus on the bigger picture here. And here's an interesting observation. Volume fell along with the price during the last trading day. Now, that actually reduces the overall risk, because volume should ideally follow the price movements. So, it's a good thing to keep in mind. Welcome, fellow investors. Are you ready to uncover some fascinating signals? Let's dive in. First up, we have the moving average convergence divergence. This indicator is flashing a compelling buy signal. Next, we have the pivots. Interestingly, it generated a buy signal 13 days ago. Exciting stuff. Keep your eyes on the Bollinger indicator. It revealed a buy signal 29 days ago, indicating potential opportunities. The short-term moving average is worth noting. It signaled a buy 11 days ago. Time to pay attention. Now, let's talk about the long-term moving average. It triggered a buy signal just 6 days ago. Something big might be happening. Don't forget to consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages. It showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Exciting times ahead. Shifting our focus to the 12-month chart, let's uncover more insights. The short moving average on the 12-month chart revealed a buy signal 8 days ago. Keep a close watch on this. However, the long-term moving average on the 12-month chart indicated a sell signal 28 days ago. Beware of potential risks. Once again, let's consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages on the 12-month chart. It signaled a buy 32 days ago. Intriguing, isn't it? Don't miss out on more signals. Head over to our page at StockInvest.us and unlock a world of opportunities. Happy investing. Get ready to dive into the fascinating world of Apple's support, risk, and stop-loss strategies. Picture this: Apple finds support from accumulated volume at an impressive $177.97. This critical level presents a golden opportunity for savvy investors like you, as it often triggers a powerful upwards reaction. It's like unlocking a secret door that leads to potential gains. Here's the best part: Apple's stock is known for its controlled movements and abundant liquidity. This means the risk associated with this stock is incredibly low, giving you peace of mind as you navigate the market. Let's talk numbers. In just one day, the stock can move an average of $3.79 between its high and low, which accounts for a mere 2.13% variation. But wait, there's more. Over the past week, Apple has showcased a daily average volatility of 1.62%, providing you with a stable and predictable trading environment. Welcome back, folks. Today, we're going to discuss some exciting trading levels for Apple. But before we jump into that, let's take a moment to explore some essential fundamental data that will help us make informed decisions. First up, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. It gives us valuable insights into Apple's financial standing. Now, here's the interesting part. Apple's P/E ratio falls within the range of what we consider relatively normal. This is often observed in companies with a long track record and predictable revenues. So, this is definitely a good sign for potential traders. But wait, there's more. We have some exciting news about Apple's upcoming earnings report for Q3 2023. Mark your calendars for November 2, 2023. This report is expected to make waves in the stock market, and you don't want to miss it. According to analysts' consensus estimates, the projected earnings per share for this quarter are $1.39. These numbers can have a significant impact on Apple's stock prices, so keep a close eye on them. They might just be the catalyst for a thrilling trading opportunity. Welcome, traders. Today, we're diving into exciting day trading levels for Apple. Picture this: an upward trend for Apple. The first resistance level we're eyeing is at a tantalizing $179.80. Hold your horses if you don't own any shares just yet. Let's wait for this level to be breached before making our move. But for those already in the game, oh boy, this could be your golden opportunity for some swing trading action. Now, let's talk about the downside. Brace yourselves, folks. Apple faces its first support level at $177.97. Keep a close eye on this level because, if it holds, we may have ourselves a prime entry point. Just imagine the bounce-back potential. Hey there. Want to know the latest on Apple's stock? Well, the combined average rating from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into some recent insider trades. On October 6, 2023, Jeffrey E. Williams made an insider sell, getting rid of a whopping 69,785 shares of common stock. And guess what? On the same day, Luca Maestri also sold 32,010 shares of common stock. But it doesn't stop there. On October 9, 2023, Maestri Luca sold another 19,000 shares of common stock. Oh, and don't forget, on that same day, Maestri Luca made another insider sell, this time parting with 12,685 shares of common stock. Now, let's switch gears and talk numbers. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is showing a negative ratio of -22.315. Looking at the bigger picture, insiders have purchased a total of 2,312,176 shares and sold 3,774,260 shares in the last 100 trades. Hey there, fellow investors. I've got an exciting stock recommendation for you today. Are you ready to learn about a hidden gem that comes with low risk and high potential? Well, our recommended stop loss is set at $169.75, which is a 5.09% decrease from the current price. But let me tell you why this stock is worth your attention. This company has a history of stable daily movements, which means it carries lower risk compared to other investments. And guess what? There's a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was discovered just 12 days ago. Wondering if Apple stock is worth your investment? While Apple does have some positive signals, we believe there's more to consider before making a buying decision. At this point, it's best to hold or accumulate Apple shares, patiently awaiting further developments. We have slightly adjusted our analysis from a buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Our systems have detected that the current price of Apple stock is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements of the last trading day. Looking ahead to Monday, October 16th, we anticipate Apple's opening price to be $0.790 higher at $179.64. Are you ready to take on the exciting world of trading? But hold on, before you dive in, there are a few things you need to know. Trading can be a thrilling adventure, but it's important to remember that it also comes with risks. Losing money is a possibility, so it's crucial to make informed decisions. That's why we recommend speaking with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Here's the deal: StockInvest.us provides valuable information, but it should never be the sole basis for your investment decisions. We encourage you to do your own research and analysis, and take responsibility for your investment choices. So, get ready to embark on this exciting journey, but remember to proceed with caution and always stay informed. Happy trading! Hey there, stock enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the exciting world of trading? We've got something special for you today, our current view of the stock. But we want to hear from you too. Agree or disagree? Comment below and let's start a conversation. Share your thoughts and tell us what your target for the stock is. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. We're here to help you succeed in your trading journey. Wishing you a day filled with profitable trades and sending warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.